Right, so they're doing conservatory roof. As you can see, the whites on it are quite green. The glass on it is very green. I've got some No Worries secret ingredient magic juice. This will cut through that like a knife through butter, and we'll get looking immaculate. Anyway, let's have a look, shall we?
Somebody know me better. I thought that I would miss her more, but I wake up and I feel better, cause I let somebody go. We've been going on forever. There's no more crying on the floor, and she said it's now or never. So I let somebody go. Ooh.
So we finished this now. You see all the white's white again, all the green's gone. All the